Hi, I'm Samone.
And I'm Lloyd.
And we live here with our 3 kids and our cat Whiskey. And we built with Carlisle Homes, their Kensington Grand.
We decided to build because we needed more space.
Our old house, we were sort of living on top of each other. The living spaces were so close. Even though we had 4 bedrooms, it still felt small, didn't it?
Yeah.
We chose a floor plan with more living spaces, but being 2-storey, we've kind of got sections within the house now.
Unlike a lot of the other builders that we looked at, we found Carlisle's plans really easy to understand.
They just felt nice and open and airy and light, which is what we wanted.
Yeah.
So we wanted to create a home that we want to live in for a really long time. So we didn't want to skimp on the upgrades. We got some pendant lights and things installed downstairs. We upgraded all the lighting to make sure that not only is it efficient, but it's nice lighting to suit the home. We also upgraded things like the splashback in the kitchen, the tiles on the floor. We also added the theatre room into our rumpus downstairs, and we asked them to soundproof that room too.
Yeah.
So it's great, the kids can watch a movie in there and we can be in the kitchen and we can't hear them. We also decided that I did not want to have to vacuum the carpet on the stairs, so we upgraded our staircase as well, and I'm really glad we did that because I love the stairs, they're beautiful. We first went into a Carlisle display centre and we met a sales consultant. Her name was Jane, she was great. Jane helped us navigate through some of our extras that we wanted, and she also recommended that we upgrade the underlay upstairs and the carpet and think about the acoustics between upstairs and downstairs. So Jane really just helped us with the steps in the process, and we felt really like secure in what we were doing. Our client liaison executive, she was great. She kept us in the loop with everything in the process. And then once the build process started, our site supervisor, he was amazing.
Yeah, he was amazing.
And he would call Lloyd every Friday.
Every Friday, at least once a week. So,
yep. Give a little update and really accommodating. If we wanted to come and have a look at anything, he would always be here to help us get on site. When we had our appointment at Spectra, they said to me, you've got to allow all day, we'll feed you lunch. The showroom is amazing, and being able to see everything in person is really great and just made the process a lot easier. When I was at Spectra, there was an interior designer that works for Carlisle, and she was able to sort of help me with my selections and ensure that everything fit together.
We chose Carlisle probably because of the style of the houses.
I think too, the level of finish of the display homes, and you could tell the trades they use and the materials they use were of a good standard as well. Some of the other builders, it just didn't feel as nice.
So when we talked to our family and friends about Carlisle, I just told them about the quality of the build. The workmanship was really good. All the people in the office were really good to deal with, and everything was explained simply. They didn't overcomplicate anything. One thing's for sure, like when you drive around, every second house is a Carlisle, so you must be doing something right.